Let us try to represent linear inequality on a number line. So we have three different examples. Let's try to understand how to represent these inequalities on a number line. X less than 6. So draw a number line, and 6 is a critical number. Mark 6. And numbers on the side of 6 are 5 and 7. 5, 6, 7. When we say x is less than 6, that means 6 is not included. So make a hole here or an open dot. X less than 6 means all the numbers to the left side. 5 is less than 6. That is kind of a test point for you. So you can make an arrow moving left. So that is the solution which can be represented on a number line. Now the next one is minus x is greater than 8. This one is kind of tricky. Minus x, not x. So you need to isolate for x. How will you isolate for x? You have to do negative on both sides to get x. When you do negative, you have to interchange the sign also. So this will become x is less than minus 8. So whenever you multiply by a negative number, you have to interchange or reverse the sign. So it becomes x less than minus 8. That's kind of very critical. So let's now draw it on a number line. So on a number line, mark your numbers with minus 8 in the center. So numbers on the side will be minus 9 and minus 7. X is less than minus 8. That means it is on the left side of minus 8. And minus 8 is not included, so we'll make an open dot here or a hole here and mark our arrow to the left side. So that is how you can represent minus x is greater than 8, right? So minus 8 greater than 8 really means that x is less than minus 8. So if I write minus 9 instead of minus 8, what do I get? Let's check. So we have minus, and instead of x, I'm writing minus 9. I get what? This is equals to plus 9, you see. And we know 9 is greater than 8, so that is correct. So it is important to check your result also. Here also you can check. If you write 5 here, 5 is less than 6, that is correct. Now the last one here is, you have a solution here which is x is between minus 4 and 5 and both are included. So what we should do here is, so we can make minus 4 and 5, and since they are included, we'll fill them up. So we got filled in holes here, right? And we'll write down our numbers which are minus 4 and 5, and everything in between is a part of solution. So we'll connect them. So that is our solution on a number line, correct? So that is how you can represent your solution on a number line for any given inequality. I hope you understand the steps. Main thing is that when you have an inequality like less than or greater than, then you have a open hole. And less than means arrow will be pointing left, greater than towards the right. In this case it was tricky, minus x greater than 8. So we had to reverse it. Now when we have in between, then it is not going to infinity. It is between two numbers, like an AND relation. It is between these two values. And since this inequality had equal to included, so these are filled in holes. So that is how you represent your solution on a number line. I hope the step is clear to you. Thank you.